Is selling real estate not working out like you thought? What if I told you it's not supposed to? This is Beverly Whipple. She was an agent just like you, trying to make a living by door knocking and cold calling. She made one simple change. Within just a short time, she started seeing $10,000, even $20,000 commission checks every month consistently. What's cool about this, though, is what Beverly did is not that hard, and basically every agent can do it. But let me give you a secret. The reason some agents make a fabulous income while most struggle is simple. Knowledge, consistently applied knowledge. The successful agents, the ones who live their best life, they know what to do to get leads, they know what to do with their time, and they know how to get listings. They manage their brain, their body, and their emotions. We call that CBT, or cognitive behavioral techniques. You get the real estate license, you hang it with a broker, and then what? The market drops on your head. Why doesn't real estate school teach you actually how to sell real estate? Real estate school is there to make sure you don't break the law. They don't care if you succeed. It's up to you to figure out how to actually make money. What about your broker? Brokers have good intentions, but this is your career. Nobody is responsible for your success but you. We've put together a free training to show you the simple processes to reach $150,000 in commissions this year using CBT. The best part is, if you follow the training, you won't be wasting money on marketing either. You've heard of agents making a ton of money. Click here to learn how they do it and how you can do it too.